Hi everyone, I love affiliate marketing. That's because it's a great way to earn passive income. So today, I'm going to discuss with you about three things you need to succeed and profit in affiliate marketing. Of course, to succeed, there are many more, things that you need to have, do, or know, right? But from my experience, these are the three things that are the most basic things that you need. And they can help you succeed and earn profit in an affiliate marketing business. What are they? Let's discuss more about this. But before I continue, please remember to subscribe and click on the notification button to get updates whenever I publish a new video. In the mid-2000s, I made a few attempts at doing business. Back then, these businesses were more physical stores, or if it's of course if it's sometimes it's an office, and I had websites for these stores and businesses, but the focus was more on selling, right? At these from these physical stores than online. In the mid 2010s, I also started a digital marketing agency. And again, this was more brick and mortar than actually online sales. After I left the agency, I tried many online businesses. And after trying so many online businesses, such as e-commerce, I finally decided to do affiliate marketing. And having done the previous businesses, I knew I had to approach this new venture wisely. I did my research and knew I had to get educated on how to do affiliate marketing. I needed courses and lessons to help me know the ins and outs of doing it, how to do it right and to do it correctly and do it well so that I know this affiliate marketing business that I'm going to do is going to be successful. So I did research, I went around finding out where can I get educated, and I found such a training program, and I gained really useful information and knowledge. From the education I received, I also learned that for my affiliate marketing business to succeed, I need useful tools. And most of all, I needed guidance and support. And all these, they need to be from, like the guidance and support needed to be from people who are experienced and helpful. So the three things that I came to realize that I really needed back then, after everything, I realized it was education, tools, and expert help. When I first heard of affiliate marketing, I wondered, what was that? What is it? So I did a quick search on Google, and it helped me to learn more about it. So I learned that basically it is a way of making money online by promoting products, that are other people's products, other businesses' products. Then when people buy the product from my affiliate link, I earn a commission. After learning about that, I had so many questions, such as how to do affiliate marketing business, how to choose a profitable niche, how to find quality affiliate programs that offer high commissions, how to promote the affiliate products, and etc. So many questions, and sure, like what I did before, I could give it a try on my own, but that would take a really long time. It would be a very long learning curve. Plus, I'll end up spending more when I make mistakes. So I decided to find a good, reliable, and of good quality training program. I needed to learn from experience, those who are more experienced, so that I can reduce my learning curve, and also it raises my chances of succeeding with an affiliate marketing business. And I found it. After a few years of research, I finally found it. It taught me how to do an affiliate marketing business, how to choose a profitable niche, how to find quality affiliate programs that offer high commissions, and also how to promote the affiliate products, and so much more. This platform gave me step-by-step lessons on everything I needed to know how to start and grow a successful affiliate marketing business. Having step-by-step lessons is very important, because I'm new and I needed to learn everything step by step. So it was very good. You can learn from this platform too. I'll leave the link to to get their free training in the description below. So go there and get it now. So there I was. As I learned from those lessons on that platform, I discovered that it is also essential to have tools to help me succeed in this affiliate marketing business. Fortunately enough, the same training program has many tools to help me do that. One of the free tools in this training program helps you find quality affiliate programs. It helps you to get an overview of the affiliate program. It shows you how much commission you can earn. There are also reviews from other people who tried the affiliate program, and there's so much many more useful information in this tool. So this feature in this program can help you choose the right affiliate products for your business. I will do a video about this, more about this in the future. Then there's also another excellent tool. It's a keyword research tool called Jaxi in this program, and it helped me to find keywords to get many of my web pages ranked on the first pages of search results, such as Google. Being on the first page of search results can increase traffic to your website. That's very important. I've come to know, and traffic is very important, because with traffic you can convert all these potential visitors, all these visitors into customers, right? Which means sales, and as such, it helps with increase in profits. So with education and tools, I was able to start a business, create a website, start promoting to get sales. And as I continue working on my affiliate marketing business, practicing what I have learned, I soon realized that at times I needed help and support. Thankfully, the training program has a very helpful community of hundreds of thousands of internet marketers. So that whenever I have any doubt, question, or anything to clarify about my business, all I have to do is ask for help, and help will come. This is so useful because, in the past, when I did business, sometimes I get lost and I don't know what to do, and I don't know where to turn for help. So you have these people in the community who will answer my questions and help me. And if that is not enough, there's always the excellent support team at this program. Whenever I face any technical difficulty, the support team is always ready to help me. And the best part of it, the best help offered at this site, is the access to their CEOs, Carl and Carson. Two of them have more than 15 years of experience with affiliate marketing. So anytime I need help, guidance, or coaching, all I have to do is write a message to either of them, and they will help me. So all this has been, and still is till today, valuable to helping me with my affiliate marketing business. And as I mentioned, even today, whenever I have any doubts or anything to clarify, all I have to do, is to use any of these ways to reach out and get help. And I will get help. In the past, before joining this program, like I mentioned before, I would at times be lost, when I did all the other businesses or tried other training programs, that I'll be lost. And In those programs, there's no one to turn for help. So this training program that I'm now in is really different. They really provide good help and support. And I am so happy and grateful to get this help and support from the start of my business to growing it and now continuing its success. Another very good thing about this training program is that it continues to update its curriculum. As someone who's hands-on in doing online businesses and also teaching digital marketing, one thing that you must know is that the digital landscape changes very rapidly. What you learn today can be outdated in a few months, sometimes even in a week. As the industry changes, I get updated knowledge that is still applicable from this program, and it really does help with continued success for my business, and it can help you too. So remember, the 3 things you need to succeed and profit in affiliate marketing are education, tools, expert help, right? Today you can get them too. So don't miss this chance to get the right education, tools, and expert help. Also, the training program can help you with any online business, not just affiliate marketing. You can actually learn from the lessons and then apply it to any online business that you intend to have, like e-commerce, drop shipping, and so forth. I'll leave the link to get their free training in the description below, so go there to get it now. Plus, when you become a premium member on this site, you have me as your personal mentor. I have mentored many and helped many to be successful in their businesses. So when you join as a premium member using the link that I put in the description below, I will be there to guide you and help you succeed with your online business. So having said that, said everything, do you have any questions about the 3 things you need to succeed and profit in affiliate marketing? The 3 things such as education, tools, and expert help. What other things do you think you need, to do your affiliate marketing business or your online business? Let me know in the comments below. I will continue to publish new videos about making money online every Friday. So remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.